Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering the question that a lot of you have been asking me recently: does Novo have personal banking? Before we get into the details, let's take a step back and talk about what Novo is. Novo is a neobank that offers a variety of financial products and services, including business banking, checking accounts, and credit cards. So, does Novo offer personal banking? The answer is yes, but it's not as simple as that. Novo does offer personal checking accounts, but they are not available to everyone. In order to be eligible for a Novo personal checking account, you must meet the following criteria. You must be a business owner or entrepreneur. You must have a business that is at least 6 months old. You must have at least $5,000 in annual revenue. If you meet these criteria, then you can apply for a Novo personal checking account. Once your application is approved, you will be able to open an account and start using it to manage your personal finances. What are the benefits of using Novo for personal banking? There are a number of benefits to using Novo for personal banking. Some of the most notable benefits include: no monthly fees. Novo does not charge any monthly fees for its personal checking accounts. No overdraft fees. Novo does not charge any overdraft fees. Free ATM withdrawals. Novo customers can withdraw money from any ATM in the world for free. Early direct deposit. Novo customers can get their direct deposits up to 2 days early. High interest rates. Novo offers some of the highest interest rates on personal checking accounts. In addition to these benefits, Novo also offers a number of other features that can make it a valuable tool for managing your personal finances. These features include the ability to set up automatic savings transfers, the ability to track your spending and budgeting, the ability to get real-time notifications about your account activity. Overall, Novo is a great option for people who are looking for a no-frills, low-cost personal banking solution. If you meet the eligibility requirements, I highly recommend giving Novo a try. How to apply for a Novo personal checking account. If you're interested in applying for a Novo personal checking account, here are the steps you need to follow. Go to the Novo website and click on the Apply Now button. Fill out the application form. Submit your application. Once your application is approved, you will be able to open an account and start using it. So, does Novo have personal banking? The answer is yes, but it's not as simple as that. Novo does offer personal checking accounts, but they are not available to everyone. If you meet the eligibility requirements, then you can apply for a Novo personal checking account. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any other questions about Novo, please feel free to leave a comment below. Additional tips for using Novo for personal banking. If you decide to use Novo for personal banking, here are a few additional tips. Be sure to set up automatic savings transfers so that you can save money regularly. Track your spending and budgeting so that you can stay on top of your finances. Use the Novo app to get real-time notifications about your account activity. Be sure to take advantage of the free ATM withdrawals and high interest rates that Novo offers. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.